Loyal customer. Okay, we want you to be a loyal customer. A loyal customer is just a person who wants to get the cheapest price on our amazing products. You're not even interested in selling it. What you got to do, you got to make a commitment. Commitment to do something for you. You want to do these products. You know, like Costco, Sam's, I pay a yearly fee to go in and buy wholesale. Well, you can pay $50 and you get wholesale for life for our products. But let me tell you, that's not what you want. Because the way you need to do it is just make a 3-month commitment. We'll waive that $50 fee. You're going to get wholesale for life. And you just have to buy at least one of our products a month. You can buy more if you want, but at least one a month for a 3-month commitment. And you will get wholesale for life. And even better, you want to get free shipping immediately? Spend $125 on that order, free shipping. But if you want to spend $23 each month, that's okay. Because on the 4th month, we want you to fall in love with the products like I did. If you don't, that's fine. 3-month commitment, you get wholesale for life, and you can waive that $50 fee. But if you fall in love with something and you want to stay longer, on the 4th month, we're going to give you free shipping. From now on, we're just going to bring it to your house with no fees, no gas to go get it. And keep going. We're going to give you points, perk points for everything you buy. So, for example, you buy a box of wraps for $59 at wholesale, 4 wraps for $59, you get $5.90 credit to go spend when you're ready. Or just let it accumulate. Now, 4th month, free shipping. Let's go on to 6 months. Because I love these products. I can't imagine. 6 months. We're going to give you 50 points. $50 in free product to spend on what you want. You can add it to those other points you've been getting, or you can let it accumulate. 1 year. I'm going to go one step further. 1 year. You've already got all this other, but we're going to add another 150 at 1 year because you stayed consistent, kept doing it because you fell in love with one product. But it all starts with becoming a loyal customer and either paying the $50 in the beginning to get wholesale or making the 3-month commitment and not paying the $50 and getting it at wholesale and trying it. Come on, what you got to lose? Become our loyal customer.